Hello everyone, my name is Chris Kunz and I am the President of Anglia Examinations within the Ibero-American Network. On this occasion, I'd like to invite you all to attend my webinar on Friday, the 31st of July, between 6:30 and 7:45 in the evening. It will be on the teaching and learning of English pronunciation, and the actual title of the session is The Magic of Helping Our Students Sound Beautifully Natural in English or when Englishing. And massive thanks to Sharing Materials for having me over, and I'm looking forward to seeing you then. Bye bye.